OpenAI has just released their image generator within, well, their API. They said the OpenAI API lets you generate and edit images from text prompts using ChatGPT image or DALL-E models. Currently, image generation is only available through the image API, and they're working on expanding it on the responsive API. And the responsive API basically is where they have just regular ChatGPT models, as well as they have their voice models where you can play around with. And it's just like the suite where they have just every act, even their AI agents. So right now they're just releasing it as a standalone, but they're saying they're going to add it to that, so you don't have to have different mix and matches of API to use to make something. You can just have it all in one place. The image API provides 3 endpoints, each with distinct capabilities. Generations, which is a generative image from scratch based on a text prompt, so it's text to image, that's one. And it's edits, modifying existing images using a new prompt or entirely. So it's basically having you re-edit a photo, but just with text, of course. And then it's also variations, where generate variations of an existing image available, but with DALL-E 2 only. You can also customize the output by specifying the quality, size, format, expression, and whether you would like a transparent background. They said their latest and most advanced model for image generation is ChatGPT Image 1, a natively multimodal language model, and they recommend this model for its high quality image generation and ability to use real world knowledge in image creation. However, you can also use specialized image generation models like DALL-E 2 and DALL-E 3 within the image API. I really don't know how good DALL-E 3 is, honestly, but I'm definitely probably would just stick with the GPT image generator instead of the DALL-E's, just because of how well it's doing now with the images. They said the endpoints is image ChatGPT image generation, edits, and responsive API support is coming soon for all of them. And so you can generate different images, like how you've been seeing with some of these Barbie doll trends and action figure trends, which I've actually done videos on how to do it with ChatGPT for free. But I guess it wouldn't hurt to maybe just make a standalone platform where people can just upload a photo and just generate it itself. Maybe if you want me to go live and have a place where I make a standalone app to just do that, maybe that would be something cool to do, like a live coding session, having this image generator in there. And you can also set the size, the image, the quality for each and every image you put. And so for the image editing, it says you can edit existing images, generate new images using other images as references, or edit parts of an image by uploading an image and masking indicating which areas should be replaced, which is in painting, of course. You can also create a new image using image references. So where they had these different ones where it had like a lotion bottle, like a block, a soap, some incense and everything, and then they turned that into its own gift box, which is pretty cool. So that is a really cool use case for this. You can also provide like a mask to indicate whether the image should be edited. The transparent areas of a mask will be replaced while the filled areas will be left unchanged. So that's just in painting, as you know. And they did this one with, also you can customize image output. You can configure the following output actions, where you can have the size and dimension, quality where it's rendering quality, low, medium, high, format, so file output format, compression level 0 to 100%, and background transparency, so transparent or opaque. Size, quality, and background support the auto, and also supports auto like formatting based on that. They said there are limitations to the ChatGPT 4.0 image model, even though it is powerful and versatile image generation model, but it still has some limitations to be aware of. Latency, complex prompts may take up to 2 minutes to process. So the more complex the task is, the harder it is, or the longer it will take to actually generate that thing. Text rendering, although significantly improved over the DALL-E series of models, the model can still struggle with precise text placement and clarity. Consistency, while capable of producing consistent imagery, the model may occasionally struggle to maintain visual consistency for recurring characters or brand elements across multiple generations. As well as composition control, despite improved instruction following, the model may have difficulty placing elements precisely in structured or layout sensitive compositions. All this is pretty good, And I'm actually kind of hyped because I do think, as of now, for me, I do think sometimes the image generator for ChatGPT is the most impressive thing that they have out. I'm not really too big of a fan of Sora when it comes to their suite of AI tools, even though their newer models like the O3 and O4 mini, GPT 4.1, and the nanos and the mini models for 4.1, they're all pretty good. But I may not need the latest and greatest for everything. I can still use Gemini 2.5 and 2.5 Flash, especially now that they're out and they even have school accounts that you can use so you can get it for free. I'm not sure if I'm willing to pay $20 for a lot of stuff when it comes to that, but their image generator is absolutely amazing. But tell me what you think. Do you think that this is really cool and that it's available now for developers, or are you like, it is pretty cool, but now we have other image generators out that's just as good? If you heard about the one from ByteDance that I did a video on, you should definitely check that out. If you want to keep up the latest and greatest AI news, quantum news, robotics news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dexter out.